Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive, beautiful, pure hand weaving collections. Very nice one. So let me display. Bright, beautiful, colorful and beautiful exclusive weaving design. 4AV1 is saree code, 6200 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, resham muslin, jamdani work. Very nice one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable. This one is border portions, fine golden zari hand weaving jamdani work, fully golden zari weaving design. And this one is full base part, transparent, pure resham muslin silk with beautiful golden zari hand weaving jamdani work. This one is pallu part. Pallu is very beautiful weaving design, bright, elegant looks, gorgeous also. This one is pallu in beautiful designer pom-pom design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, fine weaving design, buta, very elegant one, bright, gorgeous looks, outstanding party looks. This one is full base, bright royal blue shade with hand weaving golden zari hand weaving jamdani buta. And this one is full base part, transparent, pure resham by muslin silk jamdani. Very nice one. And I will suggest this pure silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6800 for your elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. Outstanding one. This one also a beautiful one, black base, pure resham material, pure resham by muslin silk, pure hand weaving design, pure handloom with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. Let me open. This one is black base with copper weaving design, copper thread, copper shaded zari weaving jamdani work. This one is border portion. This one is full base part, pure resham muslin jamdani, copper set zari weaving jamdani work. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani buta, very elegant one. This one is beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, transparent, pure resham muslin jamdani. Very nice one. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7000 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. This one also beautiful one. 4AV2 is saree code, 6000 is saree price. Very nice one. Same material, pure handloom resham by muslin with beautiful hand weaving buta work. Very nice one. This one is full base part. This one is border portion, multicolor weaving polka design, fully hand weaving polka design. Very nice one. This one is full base part, multicolor, fully hand weaving polka, very elegant, smart looks. And this one is pallu part, multicolor weaving design, and pallu end is beautiful pom-pom work, very elegant, smart looks, beautiful color combinations, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, transparent, pure resham muslin. Very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6300 for your bright, beautiful, smart looks. This one also beautiful one, very beautiful color combinations also. 4AV4 is saree code, 6200 is a saree price. Beautiful color combinations, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border portion, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very exclusive, elegant looks. This one is beautiful color base, and this one is hand weaving buta work, polka design, full base part. And this one is beautiful border work, fully hand weaving work design, border, very elegant, smart looks, beautiful color combinations. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving, pure resham by muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, beautiful pom pom design, very nice one, fully designer pom pom. And this one is pallu, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant one, soft, trendy, smart looks, beautiful color also. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy weaving buta work, golden zari weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price is 6800 for your trendy, elegant, smart looks, very outstanding one, party looks. Very beautiful bright one, bright magenta pink shade, very exclusive color, very nice one, beautiful hand weaving work, pure muslin, resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani design. This one is border portions, very nice one, fully hand weaving work. This one is fully border portions, very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure resham muslin with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant one. This one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, full base part, beautiful bright color. This one is full base, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work with beautiful pom pom design, very nice one, smart, elegant looks, bright also. This one is fully hand weaving jamdani design, golden zari weaving with threaded weaving design jamdani work. And this one is full base part, pure resham muslin jamdani, very elegant, beautiful, smart color. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6900 for your exclusive bright party looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, very nice one, fully designer piece with hand weaving jamdani design, pure resham muslin with hand weaving border design, full base part also buta work, and beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, this one is border, fully hand weaving jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations with fine weaving buta design, polka pattern weaving design waist part. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, contrast color threaded weaving jamdani design. And this one is beautiful pom pom design, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, pure resham muslin transparent with jamdani work, very exclusive one, beautiful color combination, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy, elegant looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, bright brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price is 6600 for your trendy, smart, beautiful looks. This one also beautiful color, very nice one, pure same material, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, bright color. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, fully hand weaving jamdani work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving polka design, bright color, very elegant, smart looks, fully hand weaving work, pure resham muslin transparent. And this one is full border portions, beautiful hand weaving design. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving work. This one is pallu and with beautiful pom pom design. And this one is full base part, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani work. This one is pallu part, and this one is full base part, transparent, pure resham muslin. And I will suggest this pure silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6600 for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous materials. This one is very nice one, beautiful color combinations, blue shade, royal blue shade, pure resham muslin with hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, beautiful color. This one is full base part, this one is border portion, fully hand weaving, fine hand weaving border, jamdani work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, pure resham muslin transparent with pure nice hand weaving design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy hand weaving jamdani work pallu with beautiful designer pom pom work, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is pallu, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving Buddha design, fully hand weaving, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving Buddha work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6700 for your bright, elegant, beautiful, gorgeous looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful weaving design. 4AV 3 is saree code, 3000 is saree price, very beautiful one. Full base part is checks pattern, contrast border, very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful checks pattern design. Full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful checks, contrast border. And this one is beautiful fine weaving design, pallu contrast color with fine weaving design, pallu very elegant, smart look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is, you know, full base part. Full base part is beautiful checks pattern, very elegant on, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, navy blue shade, contrast maroon border, 1 inch border. And this one is fully hand weaving, fine hand weaving pallu, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, smart looks. And I will suggest this a multi-color checks contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. This one also, you know, same material, beautiful one, same material, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton, and full base part is texture weaving pattern, contrast border and contrast color pallu with fine weaving design. This one is, you know, full base part, and this one is contrast color border and beautiful texture weaving design. And this one is, you know, pallu part, fine contrast color with beautiful fine heavy weaving design pallu. And this one is, you know, full base part, very elegant, smart look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very nice one. And I will suggest this kalamkari cotton fabric kalamkari printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3300 for your exclusive smart looks. And this one also, you know, very exclusive one, beautiful color combinations. 4AV5 is saree code, 6800 is saree price, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom handspun matka with resham stripes design, pure resham silk cell sequence stripes. This one is, you know, full base part feather like, soft, comfortable one. This one is full base part, and this one is, you know, pure resham silk stripes with cell sequin design. And this one is resham pallu, cell sequin stripes design with beautiful hand weaving leaf design, very nice one, elegant, smart looks. And this one is beautiful pom pom design. This one is pallu, pure resham silk, and this one is full base part, pure handloom handspun matka with beautiful badhni, light badhni printed, and the cell sequence stripes, resham stripes, very elegant one, smart, trendy looks. Beautiful color, dark navy blue shade. And I will suggest this bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7000 for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also, you know, beautiful color and beautiful work also. 4AV6 is saree code, 5200 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with Banarasi weaving design, very nice one, elegant, smart looks. This one is, you know, full base part, beautiful color, peach shade with fine golden and silver zari, fully hand weaving Banarasi border. And this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, golden and silver zari weaving buta work. and this one is pallu portion, beautiful weaving buta design, very elegant, smart look, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with Banarasi weaving design. This one is pallu part, very smart modern weaving design, stripes pattern, golden and silver zari contrast stripes with beautiful weaving buta design and beautiful pom pom, also very nice one, elegant, smart looks. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with Banarasi. And this one is border, golden and silver zari, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta, very elegant, smart, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material with Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5800 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy looks. The same material, beautiful, elegant color combinations, very nice one, natural fabric, lane by lane, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful weaving design, Banarasi weaving design, fully hand weaving Banarasi. This one is border portions, very nice one, golden and silver zari, fine hand weaving Banarasi work border. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, silver and golden zari weaving design buta, Banarasi weaving buta, fully hand weaving design. And this one is pallu part, very beautiful one, highlighted buta, golden and silver zari weaving design, highlighted buta. And this one is pallu part, very modern hand weaving work. This one is stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern, golden and silver zari stripes with beautiful weaving buta design, very nice one, with beautiful pom pom design, also very nice one, elegant, smart, beautiful looks. This one is fine weaving design border, golden and silver zari weaving design border, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful, smart, elegant looks, very elegant color combinations also. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with hand weaving Banarasi design, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5600 for your smart, trendy, elegant looks, beautiful one. This one also same material, linen Banarasi, very nice one with beautiful color combinations, very elegant one with fully hand weaving Banarasi design border buta, very nice one. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with golden and silver zari fine weaving design border, fully hand weaving Banarasi work. And this one is full base part, golden and silver zari weaving design buta work, Banarasi weaving buta, very nice one. This one is pallu part, highlighted golden and silver zari weaving design pallu. And this one is beautiful modern weaving pallu design, stripes pattern, golden and silver zari contrast weaving stripes with buta work and beautiful pom pom design, very nice one. And this one is full base part, elegant color combinations. This one is full base part, and this one is border, fine golden and silver zari weaving design, Banarasi weaving design border, fully hand weaving border, very exclusive. And this one is beautiful buta, very trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5700 for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks, beautiful one, outstanding. And this one also very nice one, beautiful work, beautiful color also. 4AV7 is saree code, 6200 is saree price, very nice one, fine weaving design, pure muslin Banarasi with beautiful fine hand weaving border design and full base part also. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is border, beautiful fine weaving design border, silver zari weaving Banarasi border. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta work, fully Banarasi weaving, hand weaving Banarasi design, pure muslin Banarasi. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, This one is highlighted stripes pattern, fully hand weaving silver zari Banarasi work stripes pattern. Pallu with beautiful butta work, very elegant, trendy, smart looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure muslin silk Banarasi. This one is full base part. This one is fine weaving Banarasi border, and this one is full base part transparent with silver zari fine weaving butta design, very elegant one, beautiful bright color muslin Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6800 for your elegant, trendy, smart looks, beautiful one. Same material, pure muslin silk Banarasi, very nice one, beautiful elegant color combinations, very nice one. This one is color is blackish greenish, you can say, very beautiful color combination. This one is full base part, and this one is mehendi blackish, you can say, and this one is silver zari fine weaving Banarasi work, very nice one. This one is full base part, pure muslin silk Banarasi fine silver zari weaving butta design, full base part, and this one is beautiful fine weaving border, fully hand weaving Banarasi border, very nice one. This one is beautiful border, and this one is full base part, fully hand weaving butta work, very nice one, fine weaving work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted Banarasi weaving stripes pattern pallu with beautiful weaving butta design, very elegant, smart, trendy looks, beautiful color combinations, transparent pure muslin Banarasi, very elegant one. And this one is full base part, very exclusive, trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, and this one is beautiful border design and fine weaving butta work, very nice one, pure muslin silk Banarasi, very elegant one. And I will suggest this pure silk material stripes pattern weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7000 for your elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure charka cotton with hand weaving design. 4AV8 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with contrast stripes border and beautiful hand weaving design. This one is border portion, contrast color, fine stripes pattern border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta work, very elegant one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color threaded weaving work, fully hand weaving design, pallu, very elegant, smart looks. This one is beautiful hand weaving pattern, and this one is beautiful pom-pom design pallu, and very elegant one, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom charka cotton with beautiful hand weaving work, very exclusive one. And this one is border highlighted stripes pattern, and I will suggest this ikat contrast blouse piece, cotton fabric contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your exclusive, smart, elegant looks. This one also beautiful one, 4AV9 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very nice one, off white base, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton balichuri work. This one is full base part, beautiful one, and this one is border, fully hand weaving border design, contrast color, and this one is full base part, pure handloom khadi cotton with beautiful balichuri work, hand weaving design, very nice one. This one is pallu part, fully hand weaving balichuri design pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant one, off white base, and this one is full base part, beautiful border design, fully hand weaving border, and full base part is fine weaving butta design, very elegant, trendy, exclusive looks. This one is border, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this bouquet work checks pattern synthetic material contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your trendy, smart, elegant looks. you know, very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations also. For AV10 is saree code 4200 is saree price. Very beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful batik printed one, fully hand work, very nice one. This one is beautiful illusion pattern batik print. This one is full base part, very artistic design, very nice one. This one is pallu part, beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is full base part, beautiful illusion pattern batik printed one. This one is full upper base one, very elegant one, and this one is, you know, split section, beautiful stripes pattern, multicolor stripes, highlighted golden zari lines, beautiful stripes pattern pleats, and this one is running blouse piece, this one is pleats, and this one is beautiful illusion pattern batik printed one, natural fabric, lane by lane, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4500 for your elegant, smart, exclusive looks. This one also, you know, same material, beautiful batik printed one, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful batik print, stripes design, split section. Let me open, very nice one. This one is beautiful hand batik print, very nice one. This one is full base part, this one is pallu in beautiful pom-pom design, and this one is, you know, a multicolor split section. This one is multicolor splits, this one is split section multicolor, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is splits, and this one is upper base, beautiful batik printed one, very nice one. And I will suggest this bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4400 for your elegant, smart looks. And you know, today I have draped a very exclusive saree, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful shivory dye with weaving design. This one is beautiful hand weaving stripes pattern, golden and silver zari with matka threaded weaving design, stripes pattern, full base part, and beautiful shivory dye, silk sequence stripes design, very elegant one. And this one is, you know, pallu part, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, golden and silver zari weaving, peacock motif jamdani work with silk sequence stripes. And this one is full base part, same pattern, very beautiful one, golden and silver zari stripes pattern with shivory stripes, silk sequence stripes design, full base part. And this one is pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, feather like soft, very exclusive one, beautiful color combination. 7800 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you so much.